Make sure always, guys, whenever you're going to start the driving, make sure you fix your mirrors, and vision should be clear. Okay, signal to the left, check mirror and blind spot, all clear, let's go. Check left, check right, check left again, and make a right turn. Left signal, check the blind spot, and wait for the green light. If it's a green light, I know nobody is coming, but the pedestrian is coming, so I will cross the pedestrian crossing and wait, let the pedestrian go, and then we will go. We are making a right turn from the traffic lights, signal, mirror and blind spot, or mirror, signal, blind spot, and stop on the red light completely. Check left, right, left, and go a little bit forward. Nobody is coming. I can make a right turn, keep it in the right lane. Keep it like that. One car space. Make sure if you have this kind of situation, bus has a right of way, let him go please, because you can see the yield sign over there at the left corner. It says yield. Yield means other traffic has a right of way. Give them way, please. Always drive on the right side, but again we are driving normal, like after the license. Make sure if someone wants to watch this video, like wants to learn something, like how we drive, how people drive in normally after the license, and make sure you always follow the rules, always, like after the license as well. Some people they forget the rules after they get the license. Please don't do that. Don't move until the car moves, which is in front of you. Yeah, and if you don't see any speed sign, it's a 50. So one more thing, guys, when you have a red light, watch who has a green. So other guy has a green, so watch their lights. Whenever their light is red, so means your light should be green very soon. So this is how you do the pre-plan. Okay, so if someone is making a left turn, let them go completely, even your light is green. People try to go on the on the yellow light. please let them go completely and then you start your drive. Boy, their light is red now. My light should be green. Mirror signal blind spot. Make sure you have enough space in front of your car. And we are taking highway. And did you see that 40 speed sign? Black and yellow speed sign means it's a recommended speed. Black and yellow speed sign means recommended speed. Please don't go less than that if you don't have a traffic. If you have a traffic, follow the traffic. Okay? Keep it like that. And this is a yield sign. Make sure you watch. Behind. Very good. It says right lane exit. Yes. So we are taking exit from this lane because we are taking highway. Yeah. Give the signal. Light spot. Turn off the signal. So this one. See, black and yellow speed sign means it's a 50 speed, means don't go less than 50. It's a ramp speed. Don't go less than that. Very good. When your car gets straight, please make it 100. Again, if you don't have a traffic, follow the speed. If you have a traffic, follow the traffic. So I don't have a traffic, I think so. Let's see how it goes. So make sure you have a 2-car space. Don't try to go on like 80, 90. Try to make it on 100. So right now I am on like 95 or 97. I have to merge now. So I will slow a little bit down and make sure I have enough space in front of my car. This is make sure you have enough space. So I merge it on 70, 72 on under 100 highway. So means I have a traffic. I cannot do anything. That's not my fault. So examiner will not cut your numbers or not get mad to you. So you are okay with that. Now examiner will tell you lane change to the left. So if you have a traffic in your lane, let me teach you. If you have a traffic in your lane but the other lane is clear, don't try to go on 70. No, don't do it like that. You have to merge it on 100. Let me teach you how. So first watch the mirrors. Okay, we'll make an opportunity. First watch the mirror, speed up little bit and give the signal and go a little bit out of this lane and speed up again like this. And now it's 100. Okay, keep it like that. And now I'm gonna show you how to watch the mirrors and how to keep watching your mirrors on the highway, because you have to be more aware on the highway. So very simple trick I'm gonna give you. Watch one time straight and watch one time mirrors like that. Now watch again straight and now watch again mirrors like this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Keep it like that. And now again watch straight very carefully. You watch the traffic. Very good. Your speed is on 100. Again watch the mirrors like this. Always remember guys, you are a good driver. Good drivers always be more aware for the traffic and for the collision. Make sure you keep your car on the same speed. If you are going, by any chance, if you are going more than 100, leave your gas pedal for a second, just for a half of second or like 1 second, not more than that. So suppose I am going on 105 or 107, I'm gonna leave my gas pedal for a second. Now it's 100, see, like this. So keep it like that. Now again I'm gonna lane change to the right, so I will do it after this truck. But don't try to go too fast. See, I am on 100 and I still pass this truck. So let's watch mirror, signal and blind spot, and make sure you watch that mirror continuously until you reach on your lane, and then watch this over here, then watch on your left mirror. So this is how it goes, like this. And again mirror, signal, blind spot, and lane change to the right, and turn off the signal when you reach on your lane. When you reach on your lane, watch this mirror and the opposite mirror, like left mirror. If you are starting your lane change on the right side, make sure you finish your lane change, like finish your mirror on the left side. Okay, please keep it like that. Again we are going to lane change to the right, but the cars are coming fast. Let me just give him away. Very good. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and don't try to do it like that. Okay, just let it go by itself. Mirror, signal, blind spot again, and don't move your steering at all. And start from here, ending from here, like this. Okay, we are taking exit, and the speed limit is don't go less than 50. So what you wanna do? Leave your gas pedal, leave your brake, everything, leave it. The car will going automatically, and still you are on 60, and they said don't go less than 50. So I am still on 53, like this, and avoid the traffic lights. And if you have a guys, if you have a 2 lanes for the left turn, always try to choose second, because whenever you make a left turn, you always come to the right. So you are when you make a right turn from the second lane, you will go to the second lane. So you should not do the lane change. You don't need to, because you are already on the right side. You are already on the second lane. So this is how you saved your 1 lane. So yeah, even we can choose that lane as well. It's not a big deal. It's just recommended. It's just recommendation to you guys. Take it easy. Make sure you both hands should be on the steering like that every time while driving, especially in the test. So guys, they got a red light. I will get a green, I think, soon. So let's see when I will get. Yes, I get the green light. Very good. And make sure we were on the second lane, so we'll go in the second lane. Make sure you check left, right, and keep it in the second lane over here as well. See guys, I don't need to come on the right side. I am already on the right side. Okay, keep it like that. And speed limit is 60 here, so follow the speed. Make sure you watch your mirrors every 3 to 4 seconds, like that. This is not any route. This is just a normal driving. Just get an idea how to drive on the highway, how to drive normally after the license or before the license as well. Just follow the routes. And don't do rush while making lane change, because this is a life decision, guys. Don't do rush. Now next traffic lights, we are making a right turn. Signal, mirror, blind spot, or signal, mirror, blind spot, or mirror, signal, blind spot, whichever, whatever you feel good. Red light is a stop sign. Check left, check right, check left again. Very good. And I can see the traffic clearly from here, so I will not move. After this car, I am good to go. Very good. So make sure when you turn, watch your mirrors, all 3 mirrors, like you have done the good turn. nobody is coming from front, make sure you know, just make sure, double check. That's it guys, take it easy, follow the rules and regulations, check left right on every intersection, make sure you watch the videos, try to save your money, save your lessons. Okay, watch the video, try to listen and try to understand, don't try to learn. Okay, if you learn you forget, if you understand you never forget, trust me. Check left, check right, 2 car space. Whenever you press the brake, watch this mirror, like who is coming behind you. Right signal, mirror and blind spot, and slow down, take it easy. Okay guys, thank you so much. Make sure you give the signal every time wherever you're going. Let's see guys. So I'm gonna do the reverse parking here. Very good. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a good one.